Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear students, today we're going to talk about Unit 4, Lesson 7. Why is water important? There is unprecedented demand on water today. Why? Because of developments in all fields, because of the increasing population. So water is so intrinsic. For life, we should save it. We should save it. The word we have today is intrinsic. Intrinsic. Intrinsic means belonging naturally, essentially. Belonging naturally or essential. Please use water wisely. Every drop counts, especially when you live in a desert. We should curtail using water. Curtail. Curtail. Curtail means to reduce in extent or quantity, to impose a restriction on. How can we curtail using water? The paucity of water presents major hurdles to human development. Paucity. The presence of something only in a small or insufficient quantities or amount, it means scarcity. Scarcity. So the word scarcity, it means shortage of water. Scarcity means shortage of water. Hurdle. Hurdle. An obstacle or difficulty. An obstacle or difficulty. There are plenty of difficult obstacles in your path. Don't allow yourself to become one of them. This quote is said by Ralph Marston. Water preservation is a major global challenge. The word preservation. Preservation means the action of maintaining something in its original or existing state. We have to prevail over the challenges facing Kuwait today. We have to prevail over the challenges that face Kuwait today. The word prevail over, this phrasal verb, prevail over, means to prove more powerful than opposing forces. Be victorious. Be victorious. So prevail over means to be victorious. Kuwait has implemented several studies to improve water use efficiency in agriculture. The word implemented. Implement, to implement, it's a verb which means to put into effect. To put into effect. This has promoted Kuwait into spearheading the development of the first desalination plants in the Middle East. So the word we have is spearhead. Spearhead. Spearhead means an individual or group choosing to lead an attack or movement. We need to curtail the unwarranted consumption of water. Unwarranted. Unwarranted means not justified or authorized. So the new vocabulary we presented today are curtail, hurdle, implement, intrinsic, paucity, preservation, prevail over, scarcity, spearhead, unwarranted. So now, my dear students, please open your students book page 38. Open your students book page 38. Save our water. Describing photographs, note making. In this exercise, exercise number 1, we will describe the photographs and also we will have note making. We will write note making. So we will work in pairs. Students A, look at photographs 1 and 2. Student B, look at photographs 3 and 4. Make notes about your 2 photographs. What can you see in each photograph? What do your photographs have in common? How are they different? So I'd like you to look at the photographs carefully, then use your notebook and your pen to write down notes about the photographs. Prepare to speak for 1 minute about your 2 photographs. Use some of the expressions from the useful language box below. So we have to read it carefully, the useful language box. We have to use some of the expressions found in it. So in the useful language, we have here describing photographs. We have some expressions used when you describe photographs. So we can use you can see. On the left, right of the photo, in the middle, at the top, bottom. It seems that, it's clear that, both photographs, pictures show, the photographs, pictures illustrate different aspects of, the problems are caused by, are the result of. So we have to use these expressions when we write down notes about the photographs we have. So now describe your photographs to your partner. Take turns to speak about your photographs. Look at your notes, but don't read them word for word. When your partner has finished speaking, say whether you agree with what he or she has said. So now we should describe photographs and prepare to describe it to our partner. We have this quote, treat the earth well. It was not given to you by your parents. It was loaned to you by your children. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Ancient First Nations proverb. Now with the closure of today's lesson, how can we curtail the unwarranted consumption of water? Suggestions of how we can contribute in cutting back on water. It's better to use modern system of irrigation, running out awareness campaigns, preventing washing cars with hoses. What has Kuwait done to overcome the problem of water paucity? What has Kuwait done to overcome the problem of water paucity? Kuwait has built desalination plants. Kuwait has implemented studies to improve efficiency of water usage. Thank you, my dear students, for your listening today. See you next time and goodbye.